Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota RAV4 tire. First, prioritize safety by finding a level, secure location away from traffic. Make sure your parking brake is fully engaged and your hazard lights are on. Gather all necessary tools, including your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench, before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe tire change process. Now, with your vehicle secure, use the lug wrench to loosen each lug nut about 1/2 turn. Don't remove them completely yet. Next, carefully position the jack under the designated frame point near the flat tire. Slowly raise your RAV4 until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, ensuring stability throughout the lifting process. Once the vehicle is raised, you can fully remove all the lug nuts and then carefully take off the flat tire. Set it aside. Now, lift your spare tire and align it with the wheel studs. Gently push it onto the hub. Hand tighten each lug nut onto the studs until they are snug, but do not use the wrench yet. With the spare tire in place and hand tightened, slowly lower your RAV4 until the tire just touches the ground. Now, use your lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. Finally, lower the vehicle completely, remove the jack, and store your flat tire and all tools safely in your RAV4. Drive to a service center soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.